All right, good morning or good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be practicing diamond problems because diamond problems are really important for the future in math class because you guys are going to need them in different topics. So I want you guys to get the chance to copy all these 8 down and try them on your own, and then afterwards we can check if you guys did them correctly. All right, hopefully you guys copied them down and tried them on your own. Now we're going to go through them. Hopefully you did them correctly. All right. For number 1, we have -3 and -6. Remember, multiplying two negatives together would give you a positive. -3 times -6 would give you the answer of positive 18. Now, adding them together, -3 plus -6 would give the answer of -9. All right, hopefully you guys got that one. The biggest mistake that you see in most kids would, in this case, they'd get the answer of 9 right here because they would think that 2 negatives make a positive in addition as well, so they just write 9. But sadly, that is not the answer. It would be -9 because the pattern for addition and subtraction is not the same as multiplication and division because they're 2 different pairs. Remember in PEMDAS when multiplication and division were 1 pair, and then addition and subtraction were another pair. All right, so for number 2, we have -6 and -5. Now, we have 2 negatives. If you multiply them together, you get a positive, you get the answer of 30. Adding them together would give you the answer of not 11, but give you the answer of -11 because you're just adding the 2 negatives together. -6 plus -5 would give you -11, not 11 because it's not the same as multiplication. All right, for number 3, we have 4 times -6. We have a positive and a negative would create a negative. Give you the answer of -24. Adding them together would give you the answer of -2. For number 4, we have 2 negatives. -4 times -7 would give you the answer, a positive number, give you the answer of positive 28. Adding them together, -4 plus -7 would give you the answer of -11 once again. For number 5, we have 2 negative numbers. Once again, 2 negatives make a positive. -10 times -3 would give you the answer of positive 30. Now, adding them together, 2 negatives, just put them together. -10 plus -3 would give you the answer of -13. Hopefully, you guys are doing them correctly. For number 6, we have a negative and a positive. -9 times 6 would give you the answer of a negative number of -54. Now, adding them together, -9 plus 6 would give you the answer of -3. Just remember, it takes if they're different signs, you subtract, take the sign of the bigger number. That's why you would get -3. Now, for 7 and 8, I want you guys to just write down 2 numbers, a negative and a positive, and then 2 negatives, so you guys can try them out on your own. Hopefully, you guys get them correct. So, hopefully, you guys can pause the video and do that right now. Just as an example, we can just use 4 and -7. So we have a positive and negative. It's going to create a negative number. If you multiply them, 4 times -7 would give you the answer of -28. Now adding them together, 4 plus -7 would give you the answer of -3. Now for this one, we can just choose 2 random numbers and give you -9 and -4. -9 times -4, remember 2 negatives make a positive, give you the answer of 36. And adding them together, -9 plus -4, give you the answer of -13. So hopefully you guys got most of these correct. And if not, then you guys can continue practicing them because it's really important to know your times tables and knowing how to do these diamond problems because you'll need them in the future. So hopefully you guys did well, and hopefully you guys can keep practicing and perfect diamond problems. And hopefully you guys learned a lot. Thank you.